Naglagoy-lagoy lang. Take a seat, bebe boy.
I saw you.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Hi everyone! So it's my husband's birthday today. We are going somewhere we haven't been to yet. Actually, ngayon lang rin niya alam
It's a
kung
surprise.
saan siya pupunta. Sorry. Dumudugo ilong ko sa init. Kaya may ganito ako. Bro, ETA, 12 minutes. Dumi na nito. Kailangan natin punasan.
Yung alin?
Kotse. Ano yan? Okay na ba kaya itong ilong ko? Just for your information, lahat ng pupuntahan natin, walang idea yung mga tao na we will video them. So, let's see kung okay ba yung mga restaurants and yung pupuntahan natin na resort. So, ano tingin mo? Anong resort yung pupuntahan natin?
Siyempre, yung maganda.
Ano nga ang ginawa niyo, di ba? Like, did you
Maraming
confront them or did you just tell them?
Zigzag rin, pero di naman nakakahilo. Finally, okay na yung ilong ko. Makakahay na ako sa inyo na mabuti. It's time to apply my lipstick. Dahil ang pale-pale ng lips ko.
Saan ba tayo?
Secret mo.
King Solomon, Anilaw. Surprise mo sa akin, tapos ako magka-drive.
Siyempre, hindi ako marunong mag-drive eh.
Ang mga tao pauwi na. Tayo papunta pa lang. Here.
Look at the beach. Ang ganda. Wait lang, I'll show you. Humans. Ooh, look. So blue. Okay. Akala ko iba yung OMG sa La Veranda. Okay, let's go. Happy birthday! Thank you. Happy birthday!
When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do when you're with me. It felt like suddenly our souls collided, hearts entwined. When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going back. I know that's a fact, but how?
Yes. Birthday.
Thank you, ha.
Wow.
Thank you. Happy birthday. So tapos na tayo mag-lunch. Sobrang busog. Masarap pala dito. We will definitely be back here soon. Thank you. Punta tayo sa other place which hindi alam ni Stephen kung saan. Where? Okay.
Oh! Dinaanan natin yung kanina yan.
Okay, we're going to Amorlaut.
Amorlaut.
So nakita ko lang yan sa Google Agoda reviews.
And how's the reviews?
And okay, kausap yung tao doon.
And anong pa-surprise mo pa doon?
Wala na.
Wala na. Mamaya may nakaset up na naman doon.
So we are on the way back to the road. Mas malayo kasi ng 7 minutes si OMG kay Amorlaut. Kaya babalik tayo. We are now here at Amorlaut. Pasok na kami sa room. Thank you. Meron silang pa-welcome drinks. So ito ang room. Here's the view from the side. And the view from beachfront. Cabinets. And ang restroom. Hello. And the bed. Why are we both videoing? Ito yung view. Thank you.
May ganyan pa. What? From C. Thank you, Aldrich and Irving. Umabot pa ng mabini. Grabe. Yung kita yung student part
Oo.
na, kaya na happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Ano wish mo?
For our next good year.
Love you.
Hi. Hello.
Nangawit yung hands ko.
Yung hands mo?
Walang shark dito. Anong oras na? Wala akong wala. Hi. Apa, yung ako po yung nag-advance order.
Yes po, for 6 p.m.
Apo.
Ibababa na po actually ng mga
Thank you.
servers natin.
Sige po.
Thank you.
Let's go. Thank you.
Let's go.
Hindi pala dun ha? Hindi pala dito.
Hindi natin afford yun.
Hindi nga.
Yun, hindi ko na alam.
So saan tayo kakain? Hi girl.
Hello. Sa restaurant. Restaurant pa rin naman yan eh. Extension ng restaurant. Fail. Fail. Okay, come. It looks like ang gantong oras. What time is it right now? No, ba't yung Mi Band ko, hindi ko makita.
So anong meron? Bakit may table dyan sa malapit sa beach front?
Para by the beach. Diba? Take a seat, bebe boy. Thank you, Amar Laut, for this wonderful setup for my husband's birthday. Wala, ang dilim dito sa iPhone.
Bakit dito tayo kumakain?
Para by the beach, kasi we both love beach.
Late night city life, it always gets so plain. I'm getting don't wanna see you walk away now.
How are you?
Lusog.
Lalakad lang kami around para to wait for our massage. So here's the view sa likod namin. It's quite dark but okay naman.
So good morning. Ready for beach and island hopping. Island hopping.
7:30 right now and nag-aantay lang kami for our island hopping. Sasakay na kami.
Morning kuya. Pwede dito. Ready to swim na si ate girl. Sa floor na yan. Ganda nga ng view, oh. Smile. Wait, one more. Wait! Hindi ako ready. Against the light lang daw. Ako yung kita.
So, tapos na kami ngayon sa Sombrero Island. We stayed here for almost 2 hours. Naglagoy-lagoy lang. And also, nagtambay. Medyo maalon kasi dito, kaya hindi kami makasnorkel. So right now, we're on the way to another place for snorkeling. Dati raw, yung Sombrero Island, hindi masyado mabato. Yun nga lang, as time goes by, dumami na yung bato. See, sobrang mabato siya kahit along the seashore. Around 11 a.m. here. Maganda yung mga fish dito. Nakakaiba yung kulay. Sabi coral. Sana sayang wala kaming fish food. Diba?
Ayos ba?
We're about to check out. Pupunta naman tayo ngayon sa Camp Netanya. Pero for lunch lang. Now we're on the way to Camp Netanya. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
We are now here sa Camp Netanya. It's gated. Yeah, looks like it.
Tapos, one order of namafia. Isang lamb.
We are having virgin mojito, lamb gyro, chicken skewers.
Bakit?
Now we're here sa Salum Coffee.
Close.
Ay, closed.
Close sila.
Ah.
Close.
So, close ang Salum. Uwi na kami.